Hey guys, so we're currently at the launch site and we're currently getting ready to launch the rocket, and I'll see you when we're right about to launch it.
3, 2, 1.
It should probably die. I would not survive that.
Parachute. Yay! Alright.
Where is it? I can't even see it. Is it even on my screen? There it is. See it. Focus. That's cool. Max, did you get it?
Yeah.
Woohoo! Do you think we should end on a good note?
Probably this one.
Yep. So guys, we'll see you on the next launch. But if it doesn't work, then I won't put this little thing in the video. So if you're watching this clip right now, that means it works. So see you then. Peace out.
4, 3, 2, 1.
Heads up.
Oh geez, that's like right above me. Yeah! Oh no, it's drifted. Where is it? Where is it? Oh. Oh no. Oh wait, it's coming back. Okay, where is it? I can't even see. Actually, it's right here. Woohoo! Did it! We did it. Good job. See you all in the next video, and peace out.